In this video, I'll show you how to easily add initials in DocuSign. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Once you open your document in DocuSign, head over to the Add Fields section. This is where you'll find all the interactive options like signatures, dates, checkboxes, and most importantly, initial. Click on the initials option and now you can simply drag and drop it anywhere in your document. Think about where initials are needed. Maybe at the bottom of each page or next to important clauses. Just drag it to the right spot, release your mouse, and it's placed perfectly, just like adding a small sticker on a page. Before finalizing, make sure you double check that initials are in the correct spots. A quick preview of your document will help you confirm everything looks right before sending it out. And that's it. A simple way to add initials in DocuSign to keep your agreements clear and secure. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time, happy signing!